Here is a wonderful 2022 Hyundai Palisade. Here's a convenient, comfortable, and capable Hyundai Palisade, the spacious three-row crossover with a silky smooth ride, V6 power, and premium interior. This versatile SUV combines style and functionality in perfect proportions to create the ideal family excursion vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: third-row seat, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows. Enjoy the confidence that comes with being prepared for adventure in this well-equipped Palisade. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.